Juki got the sauce, bitch.
Hey guys, what is up? My name is Kai, and I'm here with y'all today for a BlueHost review. If y'all don't know about BlueHost, here's a little bit about the company. They were founded back in 2003 and is one of the largest and most respected web hosting providers in the world. BlueHost also supports more than 2 million websites worldwide. That's a lot of websites. And is WordPress's top recommended host since 2005. Bluehost also has an anytime cancel 30-day money back guarantee. So if y'all for some reason don't end up liking the product, y'all can get y'all money back. But if you do end up liking, and I have a feeling you will, you'll just have a great product. Now here we are in the main page, and you can see below the get started button, you can see the 30-day money back guarantee. So if y'all doubted me, there you go. And then up top here, you can see that you get a free domain for the first year you sign up with Bluehost. So that's pretty cool. More into that later. And then you also get a free SSL certificate included with your sign up or purchase of Bluehost. It also has a one-click WordPress install for easy access. Makes sense for WordPress's most recommended host. And they also have their award-winning 24/7 customer support. You could call them day and night, no matter who you are, where you are. I said that twice. Anyway, yeah, you get the point. You could call them up and they'll be like, how can I help you? They'll get you assertive right away. And here you have the price. Now, to get the price shown, click the link at the top of the description, and it'll take you here to the discounted price. Normally, it's $8, but if you click the link at the description, you'll get this discount of $3.95 a month, which is like a Starbucks cup of coffee. And click the Get Started button, and it'll take you to this page. Now, it might be overwhelming. You're like, whoa. Don't worry, I got you. Basically, the most basic thing you could get for $3.95 a month. And like I said, to get the price shown, click the link in the description below to get the price, the discounted price, my bad. Anyway, you can see that it has the original price, the discounted price up top. You have the basic all the way to the pro option. Now your basic is more for your newbies, for you beginners, for the ones who really don't know anything about WordPress or Bluehost or anything like that. I suggest getting the basic plan. It comes with one website and just the minimum stuff you need. But for those of you who know a little bit more about Bluehost and are more invested to it, I suggest getting the Plus all the way to the Pro. I say the Pro because it comes with just everything, and also with the Pro version you get the code security or something like that, and we'll see it later on at the end. And you get it for free in the package. And plus, if you know what you're doing, you could do multiple websites. It becomes an amazing source of income for later on. So that's why I suggest the Pro. But here you could really choose anything in between. Like I said, the basic is more for the people who are barely getting started into the platform and how to use it. The Plus, more intermediate and to advanced. And the Pro, I suggest the advanced. That's just me. But once you select your plan, we're going to head on and move on. Here I chose the Pro option. And here you can see that you could set up your domain. Now, what is your domain? It's basically the thing up at the top, the URL. So here I just put a random name because I couldn't think of anything very original. Thank you very much. But here you can see that I'm typing it in, and it'll show you if it's available or not. here I think it just took too long to load, so I just ended up going to the setup later, which you can do. Don't stress too much of thinking of the name on the spot. You can come back to it later if you know if you just need some time to think it out while you go ahead with your purchase. So here you if you click the do later, you'll be brought to this page. You can sign in with Google. And then it's basically just your account, first name, last name, your business. It is optional. You don't need to have it. Your country, I'm in the United States. Your street address, your city, state of provenance, and zip code, phone number, and email. Now down here you have the business plan or account plan. Now, typically the shorter you have it, the more expensive it is. That's why I say investing into it long term is a better option. You can see that it's cheaper that if you said the longer plan compared to the shorter plan. But let this motivate y'all, whatever you choose. Let it motivate you to make it work so you could get that bread. And basically, it ends up paying for itself. So it's not really something too much to bother with. But yeah, I suggest going with the longer plan, to be honest. It's just more convenient and easier. Now, at the very bottom, you could see the package extras. And you can see that I suggest the security. I highly recommend the security, but you could also go without it. There's other options out there. So just be careful and look at your options. Now, since I did pick the pro option, it comes free with it. So as you can see, it comes free with pro. Another benefit of having the pro package. And you can see you could get the CEO tools. Basically what that is just helping you rank your page to the top of Google, being potentially Google's #1 recommendation. So if you want that, you can go ahead and get it. You don't really need it, but it's nice to have. And you can see the total comes out to around $526.08. But since we clicked the link in the description, we got almost a $362 discount. That's pretty amazing. And like I said, click the link in the top of the description to get that discount and just the payment information. But yeah, that's it. And here are some screenshots. As you can see, this is a WordPress, this is a website, and you can see that BlueHost right there at the top is their #1 recommendation for hosting. And here's a website that's open with BlueHost, and you can see it's just amazing. The performance is really top tier. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video. Until next time, peace out.
Chucky B.